Hey, welcome to Medicare Agent Jobs.us. I'm going to go over the three paths for you to research and possibly choose which one's best for you in your situation in terms of career, or if you want to start your own block of business or insurance agency. And so the first one would be the call centers. So actually, insurance call centers are one of the largest in terms of our industry because they need so many folks to talk to all the millions of Americans out there that are needing insurance, whether it's life insurance or health insurance, auto and property and casualty insurance, business insurance. So all these things, a lot of times insurance needs a person to chat with. And so call centers is one of the biggest sectors in our industry. And you can either do lead generation, you can do phone sales, but it's a really pervasive way to get into our industry with an hourly pay or even a salary paid or even salary and benefits. And so it doesn't have the best reputation because of all the calls that Americans get, but it is very effective and it's very effective business for the insurance industry. Okay, the second one would be the insurance agency. So this is like a brick and mortar where you would go into a office building and you could work as a customer service representative. You could work in admin or account manager for a current block of business that's already been built up. And you could also be on the sales team as well. So you could get licensed for that particular line of insurance, say for Medicare, since it's health, it'd be health and life insurance for most states out there. And you could work inside an agency where you could look towards, career development, so that way you're learning the business without being a business owner, but you could possibly later in your journey transition into the last one, which would be an independent agent. And so with the call center and the agency, those are more like you are getting steady either weekly, biweekly, or monthly paychecks, and you are in the industry, and that's kind of the safest route to go. But a lot of folks don't like to be tied down. They like to be able to develop themselves, and the independent route is the one that I chose for myself. And so if you are becoming an independent agent, you're obviously taking your exam for your state life and health or property and casualty exam. And once you pass that, that's the biggest first hurdle. And from there, you need to choose a upline. And so when you go the independent route, choosing an upline is kind of difficult in the sense that you don't exactly know what questions to ask. And so that's where Medicare Agent Jobs.us comes in. And we actually give you what nobody has really discussed in the past, is being able to ask questions that would be beneficial to you as a brand new agent or even a seasoned agent. I know a number of seasoned agents out there that do not know what their commission levels are. And they still sell for the exact same carrier, and they don't understand that they are in a position to ask for an increase. So if you're an independent agent, the way that looks is that you choose an upline, and an upline like an FMO, like a field managing organization or IMO, these organizations hold the direct contracts to large insurance companies. So in the healthcare space, in Medicare, United Healthcare is the largest insurer with 37% of the market. They're one carrier. Anthem, which is also known as Blue Cross Blue Shield, Aetna, Cigna, Mutual of Omaha, all these insurers want to be able to have tons and tons of sales agents, and sales agents are the ones that produce insurance um, policies. And so we're actually called insurance producers in the state of South Carolina because we are pretty much bringing in revenue for these insurance companies. The great part about choosing an upline that you know will um, you can grow with is that they'll throughout your journey they'll actually give you you know, different levels or payouts in commission. And so that's a different topic in terms of getting more into the what level you should start out with. If you want to know more about that, please comment below about commission levels. If you're an independent agent, if you want to know more about the agency route, please comment below about which job you are applying for, and we'll try to get back to you. And if you want to know more about, working remotely or even at a call center, then we'll have more videos about that in the future. But literally, the insurance industry has been around for hundreds and hundreds and thousands of years. And so I just wanted to bring light to you, someone that's viewing my videos. If you feel like you need to have some specific questions answered, then don't be afraid to reach out to us. We'll have the number in the description below. But that was the three kind of ways to get into the industry or also look into the industry: the call centers, the agencies, and then also the independent route. And the independent route is very, very intriguing for someone that likes to be their own boss, choose not only their upline, but also get the benefit of choosing an upline that will help them throughout their business development. And so that's what I found to be true. And so if you have more questions about uplines or even building a downline, then please don't hesitate to reach out. We'll have all the information below. Take care. God bless.